Yeah, totals vary throughout where you were. We've seen between 2 to 10 inches of snow for some folks across our area. Here's a look at City Park, Denver. It is a very calm night. Not much snow is falling as of right now. Denver metro area have seen a taper dry down when it comes to snow, but places like Golden, Evergreen, even parts of Idaho Springs are still seeing that snow, especially folks in near Castle Rock. Going a little bit more south into our state, there is a winter storm warning until Thursday at 2 a.m. due to the excessive snowfall. They're going to be seeing up to about 3 to 4 inches. Also, there's going to be some cool air around this area as well, and that's really going to be a story for most of us. In the last 24 hours, when it comes to snowfall totals, southeast Denver has seen over 6 inches. Fort Collins over 5 inches. Over in Boulder at 5 inches, and Castle Rock has seen about 4 inches. And I'll update you because they're getting some more snowfall as of right now. When it comes to the higher elevation areas, Wolf Creek, seen 8 inches. Eldora about 5 inches. Vail over at 4. Overall, when it comes to our future cast, not much is going to be going on across the metro. Very south of I-70. That's where we're going to see most of that snowfall really embed us in the next couple hours. Heading into the overnight hours, we're going to see things start to dry up, but clouds are going to be sticking with us. Waking up tomorrow morning, you're going to be waking up with possible ice on the roads and also some dense fog. But for your tonight forecast, most of us are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 20s. We could see some temperatures in the low 30s for some of us. Overnight temperatures will be about 13 degrees, mostly cloudy out there. And when it comes to your metro planner tomorrow, temperatures will start to increase, getting into the upper 30s, low 40s across the board. In the next 3 days, you're going to see 40s really hugging our forecast. 41 degrees for Friday, 45 for Saturday, and spotty conditions could even happen on Saturday as we do head throughout the weekend. Make sure you stay weather aware and take your time getting out the door tomorrow.